So first we sign up, we start here. Okay, so after we're all signed in, we go to the main page, then we go to the affiliate marketplace, which is somewhere around this on the very first page. And we kind of burn down here. We're looking for health and fitness. And you know, we can kind of pick any of these. Let's go dietary supplements. And the first thing that pops up is this. We want to go and we want to sort results by gravity, because we want the top program that's making everyone, you know, the gravity score is 817. That's huge. That means a lot of people are getting results with this. The affiliates like us are getting results from this. So what we want to do when we've got our product figured out is we want to see what it's all about. So let's open this page up. See what this Exipure is all about. Tropical secret for healthy weight loss. Okay, this is good. I see this. This looks really good. Scientist discovers the real root. Okay, so here's our sales page. We're going to keep that open. And we're going to go back to this because we're going to promote this. So you hit promote. You type in your nickname that you got when you signed up. And once you type your nickname in, you can put a tracking ID. I don't. You'll hit create hop link. And it'll bring you to this. This is your hop link. This is your affiliate link for that product. Very important. So you take this and copy it to your clipboard. Okay, so now we have a product and a video we can use. We come over to a platform called Rightly. Okay, so now that we're on this, we're signed in to Rightly. We want to create a new ad. So we click on create new ad. And for our ad name, it's lose belly fat. And we leave the Rightly on there. We don't need to add a custom domain. So then we hit add. So here we are. We're going to leave this on text. We're going to go over here to evil pop-up. And so this will be what it says, my latest tweets. We're going to change that. That should be down here. Get in touch. My latest tweets. We're going to change that to... Okay, so we're going to change that to help me lose belly fat. Okay, so we type that in the button text. And we've got this so far. And for this powered by, we're going to want to change that to, that's this logo text down here. We're going to change that to, click here to get access. So for the button link, we're going to need to, for the logo link and the button link, we're going to want our affiliate link in there. Because when they click this, we want them to go directly to the affiliate link. If they click here, we want them to go to the affiliate link. So let's go to our notes and get that. So we'll take and paste this in here because that's where we want our affiliate link. Right there. And for our button link, we're going to want that in there as well. So for Mac, Command V. Those look the same. So we've got our affiliate link here. We've got our affiliate link there. Sure. What we're going to end up doing is going back to the sales page. Exipure. This is our product. So we do Command Shift 4 on the Mac. We're going to screenshot this photo. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to go to Image. And now we need to upload an image. This changed. This is the same. So we need to upload an image. That's the problem. So let's upload this image here. Hopefully this works. Look at that. So this is our pop-up. Okay, so that's good. That looks pretty good. So this will pop up in front of the video we use. So now that's up. We want to have this come on at like 4 seconds of the video. It can be at 3 seconds. Sounds good. So from here, we've got our ad name, Lose Belly Fat. We have our image in. We've got our pop-up at 3 seconds. We have our button text. We have our affiliate link. We have our logo link. We have our logo text. So looks like we hit done. Okay, so now we've got our pop-up all built. Now we need to go get the video, and we place the video destination URL right here. So we'll go back to YouTube. Here's our video we're going to use. We come up here. We come up to the URL in the copy the URL for this video, which is up here. We go back to Writely. We paste that in, and for the default, we don't want to put default. We want to put Lose Belly Fat because that's already. Let's create link with ad. Now here is our link right here. So this is the link to that. Let's take a peek at it. Let's bring it up here and let's see what we got. Let's paste it into the browser bar. Paste and go and see what happens. Now here's the video, and here's our pop-up right there. Now if everything works right, we should be able to click this, and it takes us to our product page. So everything is working great. Everything is working good. Okay, excellent. So we can X out of this. Now we know that everything works. That's great. Okay, so now that we've checked everything out, now how do we get traffic to this ad we just created? So we go to this YouTube thumbnaildownloader.com, and then we go back to our video that we're going to be using, and we go up here and we copy in the URL section. We copy that, and we bring that over here to this YouTube thumbnail downloader, and we put that in, and then we hit enter, and here it is right here in full HD, medium, small. We're going to be going with this full HD, so we're going to download this. Actually, we're going to click on that, and we're going to save image as. So now we take this and we bring it to a site called Canva. All the links are in the description below. Canva is a graphic design platform that's amazing. It's got anything you want to do. So we're going to need to go to custom size for this, or you could type in, well, if you want to do that, you can just type in YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. And for the custom size, if you wanted to do custom size, it would be 1920 by 1080 pixels. So we're going to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Now we're going to import that picture that we just downloaded with YouTube thumbnail downloader. So we're going to grab this, we're going to bring it down in here, just like that, and it starts to download. So now we need to create a call to action to this thumbnail. Now what we want to do is we want to go to something like, go over to elements, and we want to do a play button. It'll give us all kinds of different play buttons to work with. Something that moves would be great. This one's good. So bring that down to about there. This helps you center it right there. And then we want to separate that a little bit from the rest of the group. So we'll go to Elements again, and a square box right here. We'll bring this box all the way up. I know this looks weird. Then we'll go up here to transparency. Right here. This is for the Pro. I have the Pro on this, but you can get the free. You can get a lot done by the free. Let's bring it to like 56 or something. I mean, let's go 20, let's go 30. And then we'll double click onto this. And we need to put this into the background. We need to send backwards. Boom. So that kind of makes this stand out a little bit more. So now we go to text here. We'll add a heading. And for this heading, we're just going to go back to our YouTube channel, and we're going to copy this. Go back to this. We're going to paste it into there. How to lose belly fat in one night. And move it around a little bit. We can grab this guy. We can make it a little bit bigger. Command A selects all the text in there. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Effects and go to Background. That gives it that background right there, which I like. So here's our situation. What we want to do now is go to Elements, and we're going to look at like arrows, pointing arrows. It should give us a few arrows like this one. So we'll grab this guy and grab this right here, and this is how you turn it. Let's turn it a little bit more. Alright, I like that. That's good. So what we want to do now is we want to share this. We want to download this as an MP4 video. Okay, and now for the free traffic source that I promised at the beginning of the video. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go to a site called Pinterest. Pinterest has over 1 billion views monthly. We use it a lot, and we get a lot of traffic. So you'll go to Pinterest and you'll sign up. We're going to create a pin. Over here to create a pin. And from that, we need to go to our download that we just did and basically take it, drag it into here. So that drags it into here, and it's moving, which is, I'm glad we picked this one. And so now what we need to do is we need to add a title. So we go back to here, we copy our title and bring it here, and we'll take out this diet. So how to lose belly fat in one night with this. That is like, what? What's this? Okay, we've got our video, we've got our title. Now we need to get a description. So essentially we're promoting this video for Brightside. This is their video, and we're promoting it, and we're bringing traffic to it. So what we can do is we can copy this So we can copy this. Now we bring it back to Pinterest. We paste this into there. How to lose belly fat. Real monsters fat. That's pretty good. And I like to put it in the alt text too. I'm not sure what that is, but I believe it's a text will be read aloud by screen readers. So that helps people who can't see. So tags. We always want to put tags in. Lose weight. Okay, so we've loaded them up with the tags, our maximum amount. Now we need to get our destination link for this. Destination link is our link we created with Writely. So we go back to Writely, and we come down here, and here it is right here. We copy this, we paste this right here, and now we have it. We have to pick a new board. We have to pick a board. Let's go with weight loss. You always create a new board for every niche that you do. Let's not keep that secret. Let's get it going. So here we are, weight loss. It looks like we've got our title. One night with this. We got our tags, we've got our link. Now we hit publish. And we're going to be getting traffic. So now we go to see our pin. And here we go to this link. Now here's our link. Here's how we test this. Let's see what happens. Should bring us to our video with this overlaying. This is the bright side video. And look at that. Help me lose belly fat. Click here to get. So there we are. We're done. Okay guys, so here we are. We've tested everything out, and we are online. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please smash the like button and throw a subscribe our way. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, bye.